I am your blind poet, but I am not Homer. I am your blind poet and painter. I am contemplating my navel. I am singing folk songs about the workers. I am singing about the downtrodden masses and the rich on their fat asses. I am the painter who feels with his fingers. I am the blind seeing eye poet. I see what you can't see. I'm your postmodern, past modern, multimedia artist. I am the most avant of the avant. I'm site-specific and totally conceptual. Even the greatest critics have been baffled by my profundity. I once knew Andy Warhol, and I've slept with you-know-whom. And I'm a fast-speaking man. I am your deconstructed language poet, your far-out poet, your wandering workshop poet, your university poet with tenure. Your Buddhist quietist poet. I go on poetry reading tours where everything is paid for. I hear everything and it's grist to my mill. I use it all to make great sound poetry or great concrete poetry that no one can see through. I'll paint you a profound picture, an action painting, a gestural painting, nothing but pure gesture. I'll write you a far-out song of common people. If I take off my mask, I'll see the real world for the first time. But I won't take it off. It fits too well. It's too comfortable. And I've got my career to think of, my life to think of. And we only have one life to live, and living well is the best revenge. Get your own blindfold. You'll have to face the world without it, and anyway, I'm too young to die. I'm an American. And Americans don't die. We're the conquerors. We're the new Roman emperors. We're conquering the world with global capitalism. I can see it, but you can't see it. It's the invisible empire. And democracy is capitalism. No more poor people. No more huddled masses in our empire. The rising tide lifts all boats. If you've got a boat. No more people starving and dying. No more hunger and torture and death. If you've got a boat. If you've got a boat.